Hello financial enthusiasts. Today we are diving into the world of IPOs and there's one on the horizon that's creating quite a buzz. The Medi Assist Healthcare IPO. Now, who is exactly this Medi Assist Healthcare? Medi Assist is the holding company and conducts its business of providing third-party administration, also known as a TPA services, to insurance companies through their wholly owned subsidiaries, which are Medi Assist TPA, Med Advantage, and Raksha TPA. As a third-party administrator, it acts as a facilitator between insurance companies and their policyholders, insurance companies and healthcare providers such as hospitals, etc., and the government and their beneficiaries of a public healthcare schemes. Medi Assist has an industry dominance with a market share of 14.83% in retail, 41.71% in the group insurance, resulting combined share of 33.67% in servicing, retail, group policies and benefit administration. They have a technologically driven solutions which makes their infrastructure scalable and technologically enabled. Medi Assist Healthcare IPO strengths includes few of the noteworthy points such as they are currently the largest health benefit administrator with a technologically enabled infrastructure. The company works with several government bodies where as of March 31st, 2023, they have serviced 15 government-sponsored insurance schemes covering over 17.75 crores of lives. Pan-India healthcare network and integration capability provides their strength a different height. Company's management team has an extensive industry experience. Their key managerial personnel have an average work experience over 22 years and have been with them on average over 5 years. IPO of this company is opening on 15th of January and will close on 17th January 2024. Company plans to raise around 1,171 crores where prime objective is to achieve the benefits of listing equity shares on stock exchanges. Company wishes to enhance its visibility and brand provides liquidity for their existing shareholders. The entire process will be an offer for sale, providing an exit to few of existing shareholders. One can invest for 35 shares and multiples of thereof. Price band is kept between rupees 397 to 418 rupees per piece. Medi Assist operates in one of the most focused area in the recent past, especially after the COVID-19, that is healthcare sector. With newer government initiatives like Ayushman Bharat, Unified Health Interface, company might be in focus in coming years, which time will suggest. Like all other investment, one should do their due diligence before making the wise investment choice. If you have liked our efforts, please do consider subscribing to our channel and stay ahead of the curve on the IPO market. Thank you.
Investment in securities markets are subject to market risks. Read all related documents carefully before investing.